All right, after I sprayed the baking pan with cooking spray, I put some fennel stems and fish on top. So I'm using cod, but any white flaky fish will do. And next up, I'm gonna squeeze some lemon juice. I'm gonna use half a lemon, and this is kind of a nifty device that helps me put some lemon juice on without getting the seeds in. So that happens next. Next up, my grape tomatoes. Just layer them on top of the fish. Next up, my star ingredient, the fennel. Slice it thinly and then cut it in smaller pieces and layer it on top of your grape tomatoes. So we got fennel under the fish and over the fish, so it's really gonna get through all these beautiful flavors. Next up, my marinated artichokes. And they're marinated in oil, so that little bit of oil helps with the roasting of the fish. And fennel goes really beautifully with artichokes. If you don't have artichokes, just drizzle some olive oil. Final step is just a sprinkle of salt, and then it goes in the oven, 400 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. And here's the finished product. Baked cod on a bed of fennel, covered with tomatoes, fennel, and artichokes. Delicious.